Make it a habit to change smoking carbon monoxide detector batteries twice a year. If you do not have a carbon monoxide detector, now is the time to install one near all bedrooms in the house. Do not install a detector near your kitchen, garage, or room with a furnace. In the home, heating and cooking equipment that burn fuels are potential sources of carbon monoxide, as are vehicles or generators running in an attached garage. If you smell natural gas or suspect carbon monoxide is present in your home or business, you should immediately leave the area and call 911 from a safe location.